All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. Obviously, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to be doing an Influenster Voxbox unboxing. Now, this is one of the weirdest boxes I've ever received because one of the items in it is just like so random. Anyways, I'm going to get into the unboxing. This is the box. And this is what a standard Influencer Voxbox looks like. Unless, you know, it's decorated or the design, they decide to be creative with the design, whatever. But this is what the box looks like. Also, makeup look is the same makeup look from the Brett's recreation or transformation. Yes, I'm filming 2 videos in one day because I'm trying to be more consistent. So, you know. Anyways, this box is. They do tape the size of it so that, you know, it doesn't open or anybody isn't able to get into it. But when you open it, it just looks like that. In this box, there's usually a card that tells you what's in it. And so this is the card that comes in every Voxbox, giving you a list of the products and the description of it and the price, as well as their social media handles and hashtags. But we're not going to look at this. We're just going to dive straight into the box. I got they sent this Suave dry spray deodorant in Coconut Kiss. You can see that. They sent the Gold Bond Ultimate Overnight Deep Moisturizing Skin Therapy Lotion. This is not the first Gold Bond product they sent me. This product also was sent me by Influenster, and I love it. I love this. So I know I'm going to like this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and pick this up. This is by far the oddest thing, the most random thing I've ever received in Voxbox like this. This is more of a self-care Voxbox, and they sent me marinara sauce. Wrap them over out. But yeah, thumbnail. Yeah, they sent me marinara sauce. Like they just said, oh, here, have some marinara sauce. But you know what? I'm not complaining at all because I love marinara sauce, because I love mozzarella sticks. So I'm gonna make some homemade mozzarella sticks, and I'm gonna use this for that. Yep, that's the most oddest, randomest thing they've ever sent me in a box like this particularly. Next, they actually sent some lash glue, some Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Lash Glue, along with some Kiss True Volume Lashes in the style Dreamy. I am particularly excited about the lashes because I've been going pretty dramatic lately, and I just don't buy natural lashes anymore. So thanks, Influencer.